Looking for a budget fishing kayak that's actually worth it? Today, we're checking out 7 affordable options for different needs and budgets. Updated links are in the description. Starting off at number 7, we have the Pelican Catch Classic 100. This is a great option for beginners or casual anglers who want a stable and comfortable kayak without spending a fortune. The tunnel hull design helps keep the kayak steady, which is especially useful when casting or reeling in fish. It also comes with an elevated ergo boost seating system, so longer fishing sessions feel much more comfortable on your back. It's lightweight, easy to transport, and a solid choice for anyone looking for dependable performance at a budget-friendly price. Coming in at number 6, we have the KAYAKS Modular Fishing Kayak. This one is perfect for anglers who want portability without giving up performance. Its modular design means it can split into sections, making transport and storage much easier, especially if you don't own a truck or large garage space. The pedal drive system is a huge advantage because it keeps your hands free while fishing, giving you better control on the water. It's stable, surprisingly comfortable, and packed with useful fishing features, which makes it an excellent value for anyone wanting a more advanced kayak at a reasonable price. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe. We post similar content every day. Halfway through the list, at number 5, we have another strong option from KAYAKS. This pedal drive fishing kayak is ideal for people who want better mobility on the water while keeping the experience simple and affordable. The hands-free pedal system makes it easier to troll, cast, or navigate through tighter areas without constantly switching between paddling and fishing. It also offers plenty of storage space for gear and tackle, plus a comfortable elevated seat for longer trips. For anglers who want extra convenience without jumping into premium pricing, this kayak delivers excellent overall value. At number 4, we have the Pelican Sentinel 100X Angler. This kayak is a fantastic pick for beginners or casual fishermen who want something lightweight, easy to handle, and affordable. One of its biggest advantages is how simple it is to transport and launch, making it perfect for quick weekend trips or smaller lakes and rivers. The seating system is surprisingly comfortable for the price, and the stable hull gives you extra confidence while casting or moving around. It may not have premium extras, but for the money, it offers a really balanced and user-friendly fishing experience. In third place, we have the BKCTK 219 Tandem Fishing Kayak. This is a great choice for anyone who enjoys fishing with a partner or simply wants extra space and stability on the water. The two-seat design makes it perfect for friends, couples, or even family trips, while the wide hull helps keep the kayak balanced during casting and movement. It also includes plenty of storage for gear, coolers, and tackle, making longer fishing sessions much more practical. It's definitely larger and heavier than solo models, but for versatility and overall value, it earns a top 3 spot on this list. Remember that all the links are in the description. You can compare prices and read customer reviews. Coming in at number 2, we have the Pelican Catch Mode 110. This kayak feels like a big step up in comfort and overall fishing experience while still staying within a reasonable price range. The wide tunnel hull provides impressive stability, which is great if you like standing while casting or moving around confidently on the water. It also features a very comfortable elevated seat that makes long fishing trips much easier on your back and legs. With plenty of storage rod holders and smart deck space, this is an excellent option for anglers who want premium-style features without paying premium-level prices. And finally, taking the number 1 spot, we have the Perception Outlaw 11.5. This kayak stands out because it offers an incredible balance between stability, comfort, storage, and overall fishing performance for the price. The open deck layout gives you tons of room to move around and organize your gear, which makes a huge difference during longer fishing sessions. It's especially great for anglers who like standing while casting thanks to its extremely stable platform. The seat is comfortable, the tracking feels smooth on the water, and it simply delivers a more complete fishing experience than most budget-friendly kayaks. If you want one affordable kayak that does almost everything well, this is probably the one to beat.